Let's start. Leave granted. In this appeal by special leave, the appellant has challenged the order dated May 24, 2006 passed by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana. By the said order, the petition filed by the appellant under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure for quashing FIR number 9 dated January 21, 2002 registered at Police Station Sena under sections 498A, 494, 506 or 34 IPC has been dismissed. Para Kamaljeet is a landed immigrant of Canada. On May 7, 1997, she married P. Singh, appellant at village Ghol Kalan, district Moga, Punjab. She left for Canada on May 15, 1997. She sponsored her husband and accordingly P. Singh went to Canada in 1998. They stayed together for few months and then relations between them became strained. Kamaljeet thereafter started living separately in Ontario. P. Singh applied for divorce and dissolution of marriage before the Supreme Court of British Columbia, and a divorce judgment was passed in his favor and their marriage stood dissolved with effect from February 8, 2001. After the dissolution of marriage, P. Singh came to India and remarried on January 2, 2002. P. Singh went back to Canada with his newly wedded wife and both of them have been residing there. Para on January 21, 2002, Kamaljeet's brother Balwant Singh lodged a first information report being FIR number 9 at police station Sena against P. Singh, A. Singh within bracket father of P. Singh, Randhir Singh within bracket brother of P. Singh, Charanjit Kaur wife of Randhir Singh, and Harvansh Kaur within bracket mother of P. Singh, alleging therein that on May 7, 1997 he performed his sister Kalamjit Kaur's marriage with P. Singh, that at the time of marriage, according to his status, he gave rupees 4 lakhs in cash, gold, jewelry, utensils, almirah, 51 suits, 5 bags, etc. But the accused started harassing his sister Kamaljeet Kaur and threatened to kill her if she did not bring car, electronic items, etc. And that he has now come to know that P. Singh has entered into second marriage in the first week of January 2. A case under section 498A, 494, 506 34 IPC was registered against the accused persons, and it appears that the police submitted challan against them in the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class, Barnala. Para Randhir Singh filed a petition under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure for quashing the FIR number 9 and criminal prosecution against them. By the order dated April 29, 2004, the High Court allowed the petition and quashed FIR number 9 dated January 21, 2002 registered against them and all subsequent proceedings. Para P. Singh by a separate petition under section 482 of the Code pled for quashing FIR number 9/2002 and the subsequent criminal proceedings against him, but as noticed above, the High Court by its order dated May 24, 2006 dismissed his petition. The High Court in its cryptic order while dismissing the petition observed that P. Singh has married second time on January 2, 2002 while he was already married with Kamaljeet Kaur, and the aforesaid marriage has not been dissolved. Having heard the learned counsel for the parties and upon careful perusal of the materials placed before us in our judgment, the order of High Court cannot be sustained for more than one reason. In the first place, the High Court gravely erred in observing that P. Singh married second time on January 2, 2002 while he was already married with Kamaljeet Kaur, and the aforesaid marriage has not been dissolved. The certificate of divorce dated February 26, 2001, issued by the New Westminster Registry, Supreme Court of British Columbia, shows that the marriage of P. Singh and Kamaljeet Kaur stood dissolved on February 8, 2001. As a matter of fact, this fact is noticed in the order dated April 29, 2004, whereby the High Court quashed FIR number 9 and the subsequent criminal proceeding against the family members of P. Singh in the affidavit filed by Gurmal Singh, Deputy Superintendent of Police, in response to the petition filed by the appellant under Section 482 before the High Court. It has been admitted that during investigation on March 14, 2002, Hakam Singh had produced a photocopy of a divorce certificate purporting to have been issued by the Supreme Court of British Columbia. The observation of the High Court thus that P. Singh married second time, although his marriage has not been dissolved, is ex facie contrary to record. Stop. Thank you.